জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What are you saying, priest? Trinayani won't be Deepu's wife? What do you mean? I thought you were talking about Deepu's marriage in order to fool everyone in this house.
Calm down. Calm down, mother. Calm down. You try to understand that we need to protect both Dripto and Trinayani. You calm down and try to understand. Listen, mother. It's true that Dripto doesn't accept Trinayani as his wife. But if Trinayani lives here only as a refugee, he shouldn't have any objection. You need to reason with him if he objects. As a refugee? What do you mean? I mean as a housemaid.
No, sir, that's not possible. I brought her here all the way from her village as Deepu's wife. How can I make her a housemaid? No.
Topabrato, you calm down and try to understand. You cannot take Trinayani away from Dripto. But if she stays here as Dripto's wife, it'll be fatal for both. Topabrato, can't you see there's no other way? I have thought about it. Look, they're not divorced. We cannot let that happen either. People will think they're not a couple. And we need to take advantage of that. Maybe she'll be a housemaid, but she's Dripto's wife in real. His protective shield. But in front of the public, you cannot divulge her real identity. You need to convince your family, Topabrato, that Trinayani is staying here as a housemaid. And to make that look genuine, you must arrange for a fake marriage for Dripto, Mr. Topabrato. Understood?
No, priest. This is not possible. That girl calls me her father. How can I be so unjust? I can't do that to her. I can't let that happen to her. I can never.
Lourdes, the storm is so dangerous. The temple is about to collapse. How will I save your idol? How will I? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Your hand will get dirty. You'll have to clean your hands again.
Be strong. Be strong, Topabrato. Please don't lose hope. See, we need to protect both of them.
I know, sir. I know everything. But I won't be able to do it. I've been very unjust to that girl. But not anymore. I can't do this, sir. Oh, Lord. Let the earth swallow me alive before that happens.
Topabrato, Topabruto,
Yes.
you don't be emotional. If Tripto's wife is here, everyone will know that the owner of his property will be her, not Trinayani. They won't keep an eye on Trinayani.
Not possible. It's just not possible, sir. I'll be deceiving that other girl as well, who will be Deepu's wife. Sir, we can't play with so many lives.
Topabruto, you told me you'd drop me at the Hermitage? Let's go, we can't be late, come on.
Priest, you need to eat something before leaving. I've got sweets for you. You brought us very good news. Mom, please request him to have something at least.
I'll have that later, child. First, let me arrange for the daughter-in-law of this family to stay here permanently. Let's go, Topabruto.
Isn't there any other way to protect both Dripto and Trinayani? You need to leave now, Dripto. Please don't risk your life thinking about my safety. You said we are equal now, but that didn't happen. You saved my life once again. So, Dripto, let me pay you back by saving your life now. What if you get hurt by the broken slabs?
Quiet! Just keep quiet. Don't utter a single word. I didn't accept you, but you consider me your husband, right? Or did you fake that too?
I consider you my husband. I do. You married me in the presence of the Lourdes.
How dare you disobey me then? Tell me. You won't stay here for another moment. Come on, let's go from here.
You are my husband, and she's the world's mother. The way I can't let anything happen to you, in the same way I can't let anything happen to the Lourdes. She's the mother of the whole world.
Oh, you're not concerned about your danger, but you're worried about the idol. Okay, fine. I'll keep the idol safe, okay?
What are you doing, Dripto?
The roof here already collapsed. There is no chance of breaking it again. And I'm sure the idol will be safe over here.
You too want to save the Lourdes' idol? I can't understand him, Lourdes. Sometimes I feel he's the most heartless person in this world. But sometimes I feel a soft-hearted person like him is hard to find. You are right, Tripto. There's no chance of the roof collapsing here. It will be safe if we keep the idol here. There's a track on the roof above the idol, Tripto. I had a dream that the roof of the temple will crash on this stormy night.
What's this? Trinayani's dream is going to be true.
Topabruto, I can go on my own from here. Now you need to go where Trineni's family is right now. So you should be there, Topabrato.
No, sir. Let me at least drop you there.
No, Topabrato. You must be with them now.
But what will I tell them, priest? Trineni's grandpa was not ready for the alliance, priest. I pleaded with them, and that's why he agreed. But after that, they were humiliated again and again. The girls suffered a lot, priest. How can I tell them that? Trineni will stay in my home as a refugee.
Topabrato, I can understand how you feel. You explained to them that the decision was mine. I am apologizing to them that I have done this for their daughter's welfare. Please try to explain it to them. I'll make a move now, okay? Don't be late anymore. Go.
There is no sign of the storm to subside. There's heavy rainfall in the villages. People are requested to take shelters in safe places. We request you, please don't go out if you are at home.
She was saying there would be a thunderstorm tonight, and the temple in the village will collapse and be destroyed. She wanted to go back quickly to prevent that.
And the coastal areas will be deeply affected by
That
the
means
storm.
Trineni was right, that there will be a thunderstorm. But her family members are here. What if Deepu leaves Trineni alone amongst the thunderstorm? What will happen to her?
Clean this place. Come here quickly.
Dripto, you will get hurt.
Kumo, let's go. We are leaving. Mr. Tapabrato may come and put us into further trouble. He is not satisfied after ruining my granddaughter's life.
See, you are misunderstanding him again. He doesn't wish anything bad for Trineni.
What do you mean? He has already ruined her life.
You won't understand our pain. Inspector, if you had a daughter, you would have realized what we are feeling.
Not as Police Inspector Tarun Karmakar. But I am requesting you to go inside as a father. Will you please go inside now?
Hey, mother, come inside. See, this seat is so soft. Grandfather, you also come. Oh my, you overreact to everything.
What any parents will feel if their daughter is in pain, I can definitely feel that. That's why I am pleading with you. Let's go inside, please. I will not deceive you. Please come.
Mother, see, there are so many beautiful things. See, there are such big pictures.
She is my daughter. My Sudha. My only daughter. I found a lot of similarities between my daughter Sudha and your Nayan.
I don't know how to thank you, Dripto. I will be grateful to you for my entire life. We could save the Lourdes today because of your presence of mine. Lourdes?
Will you please get out of here now? Or do you want to wait until the temple collapses? I can't die because of someone's foolishness. Just because I couldn't run away leaving someone in danger. Come on, let's go from here.
I can never wish you to be in danger, Dripto. You took a lot of risk for me today.
Hold on. I didn't take any risk for you. Don't give so much importance to yourself. I would have done the same had it been someone else too. Trinaini, why don't you understand? You are not important to me. You mean nothing to me. How many times do I need to tell you?
Lourdes, you can see everything. You could see that I didn't save your idol today. He did. Please bless him, Lourdes. Please protect him all the time. No matter how much he hates me or pushes me away. Please protect him all the time, Lourdes. May he remain hale and hearty. Nothing bad should happen to him, Lourdes. road is entirely blocked. There are so many trees uprooted.
We can't go ahead. I don't know how I'll take you to your family members. Will I be able to get rid of you?
Even I don't know what Lord wants. Everything is over. But why are you not able to get rid of me? Despite so much effort.